Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on the Bug Tracker plugin in Xitester, the ultimate plugin for efficiently managing bugs throughout their life cycle. To get started, navigate to the Bug Tracker plugin by clicking on this icon here. Once you're in the plugin, you'll see a centralized table displaying all the logged bugs in a structured format. This table provides an overview of key details like ID, title, responsible, state, priority, sprint, and tags. It ensures that your bug management process remains streamlined and transparent, providing easy access to all the relevant information at a glance. Let's start by creating a new bug. Click on the Add New Bug button located at the top right corner. This will open a side sheet where you can enter all the relevant details about your bug. Let's go through each section to ensure nothing is missed. Let's start with the Details tab. Here, you'll provide all the essential information about your bug. Begin by giving your bug a title, such as Password Validation Error in Login Page, and provide a clear and detailed description of the issue in the description field. You'll find the Status dropdown, which allows you to assign the bug a state in its life cycle, such as New, Accepted, Progressing, PR Raised, Ready to Test, Rejected, Fixed, or Deleted. You can also assign the bug to a team member who will be responsible for resolving it. Next, assign a priority level to the bug, choosing from critical, high, medium, or low, based on its urgency. You can also set a severity level, ranging from level 1 to level 5, to indicate the bug's impact on the system. Additionally, you can link the bug to specific epic, feature, user story, or sprint to enhance tracking and align it with your project goals. Provide clear steps to reproduce to help the team replicate the bug. For example, Step 1. Go to the login page. Step 2. Enter invalid characters in the password field. Step 3. Submit the form. Lastly, add custom tags, such as password error, for easier categorization and quick identification of bugs requiring immediate attention. Next, navigate to the Comments tab. This is where you can add any initial observations or notes about the bug. Finally, head to the Attachments tab to upload relevant files, such as screenshots or error logs, to provide additional context for your team. Once you've entered all the necessary information, simply click Create to save the bug and log it into the system. Once the bug is created, it will be displayed in a centralized table, allowing you to easily manage and track its status. Additionally, by clicking on the bug ID, you can view the full details of the bug, including all the information you've entered, such as title, description, priority, status, and any attachments. To update a bug, simply click on the Edit icon here, where you can modify any details as needed. You'll also notice an additional History tab. This tab keeps a record of all changes made to the bug, providing a detailed timeline of status transitions and updates to track its entire life cycle. To gain insights into bug distribution, click on the View Reports button. Here, you'll find visually appealing charts that display bug data categorized by status, priority, severity, tags, and iterations. For instance, you can see the proportion of bugs in different states, their priority levels, or how they are distributed across sprints. These charts provide a quick and clear understanding of your project's bug status, helping your team focus on the most critical areas. You can also delete any bug by clicking on the Delete button. Please note that the Delete option is only available to users who have the necessary permissions to delete bugs. If you don't have the required permissions, the Delete button will be disabled. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this helps you streamline your bug management process and improve team collaboration.